Sony Xperia C4 Teardown and Reassemble.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun,
Professional T5 Torx screwdriver,
playing cards.
Power down your Sony Xperia C4 smartphone. Extract the SIM card from the side of the Xperia C4. The Sony Xperia C4 rear battery cover is secured in place with clips and mild adhesive. After applying heat to soften the adhesive, use a triangle opening tool to release the clips and pry the rear cover up from the phone. Peel up the black tape. Detach the Sony Xperia C4 battery from the motherboard. Remove the following 9 T5 Torx screws. Work around the Xperia C4 and free the exterior midframe from the phone. The Xperia C4 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a spudger to carefully extricate it from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Lift out the 2600 mAh Sony Xperia C4 battery. Pop off the Xperia C4 loudspeaker box. Spudge up the bevy of cables from the motherboard. Lift the Sony Xperia C4 motherboard up and detach the connector on its underside, then separate it from the phone. Detach and remove the 5-megapixel Xperia C4 front-facing selfie camera. Use the spudger to disconnect the 13-megapixel Sony Xperia C4 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. With the tweezers in hand, pluck out the Sony Xperia earpiece speaker and vibrator. Remove the shutter release button cable from the side of the midframe. Use a spudger to pry up the Sony Xperia C4 daughter board. Remove the plastic bracket, then disconnect the display cable. Begin to free the 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing it to the midframe. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use a combination of a playing card and triangle opening tools to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the Sony Xperia C4 screen from the midframe. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.